Good afternoon. My name is Tyagi. I'll be explaining about the hearing test or audiometry. Let's firstly give the overview of it. It's an audiometry is an evaluation is a painless and non-invasive hearing test that measures a person's ability to hear different sounds and pitches or frequencies. Patient who have a tumor in and around the ear may undergo audiometry testing to determine whether hearing loss has occurred or to monitor their hearing before and after the surgery. It is also used to evaluate whether hearing aids or surgery may improve one's hearing. And secondly, we need to talk how it works, like concept of it. As we know, you have three distinct parts: the outer, middle, and inner. Audiometry test can detect whether you have sensory neural hearing loss, that is damage to nerve or cochlea, or conductive hearing loss, that is the damage to eardrum or tiny ossicle bones. During the audiometry evaluation, a variety of tests may be performed. Firstly, what who performs the test is done by the audiologist, and how a patient should prepare for it. There are no special preparation needed for the test. Audiometry tests are conducted in a soundproof room. Earphones will be placed on your head, and patient is asked to sit still and not talk. Earphones are connected to machine that will deliver the tone and different sounds of speech to your ears, one ear at a time. The audiologist will ask you to raise your hand when you hear a sound. For example, if you hear a sound with your left ear, raise your left hand. If you hear a sound with the right ear, raise your right hand. At some facilities, you may be asked to push a button or make some other sign that you have recognized this sound. Then audiologist will record each tone at the lowest possible volume that you are able to hear it before or after the general audiometry test. Tuning forks are also used to conduct the Rini and Weber test. Each test evaluates the potential for different kind of hearing loss. And to assess the speech discrimination, you will be instructed to repeat words you hear. You will hear a series of two-syllable words at a volume that gradually decreases as the test progresses. In the second stage of the test, you will hear and repeat the series of one-syllable words at the volume that does not change. During the tympanometry and acoustic reflex test, a soft plug is placed in your ear, and the plug will change pressure, make loud noise, and track your responses to the sound and various pressures. And movement of eardrum is measured also, as the reflexes of tiny muscle attached to the ossicles.